What a wonderful British summer's day. I think I'm going to wash my my camper van. Got just the products. Luxury Caravan Wash and Caravan Wash and Shine. I've got my 2 buckets here and I'm going to dilute Luxury Caravan Wash into one of them. Going to foam it up with my jet wash. Just going to give it a rinse over, get rid of the bird poo and just get rid of most of the dirt on here. Bearing in mind all the seals, just keep a distance away from it, you're just giving it a light shower. I've got my shampoo in my bucket and I've got my wash mitt. I'm just going to give it a sponge bath now. This product's ideal because it's pH neutral shampoo, so it's safe on sort of gel coats and things, which most motorhomes, caravans, etc. are normally painted with. So it's not going to affect it at all. It's not going to, you know, cause any dullness or anything like that. But you just get a nice, good, safe clean out of it. I've got myself a ladder because I might be 6'4", but I'm still not tall enough to get up here. We worked over the whole motorhome now. The shampoo's had time to break down all the dirt. We've agitated it with the wash mitt in crisscross patterns. We've covered all the areas that we need to. So now it's time just to gently rinse off the shampoo. So now we're going to move on to the Caravan Wash and Shine. We're going to use this as a drying aid because the vehicle's still wet. It also contains carnauba wax, so it'll give it some gloss and protection as well. This stuff's also great as well. When you normally get bits like this and off the windows, you get the black lines and the black streaks. So just a little bit of this around there. And if there's anything like that, it should just nicely wipe off and prevent it from coming back again. So that concludes our video today on our caravan products. If you want to find out some more information, there's going to be a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.